Okay, select part. Okay, go to sketch, select circle, select front plane, select circle. Okay, select mmgs, undo control plus z. Okay, and select dimension 32 mm. Enter. Okay, go to future, extrude boss base. Okay, middle plane. Okay, and dimension 50 mm. 15 mm. Yes. Okay, and go to sketch, draw center line. Go to circle, select circle, circle diameter 10 mm. Enter 10. Okay, go to sketch, select center circle, center circle, select. Okay, dimension 2 mm. Enter, side 2 mm. Enter. Go to trim. Okay, trim. Yes. Okay, go to future, extrude cut, extrude cut. Okay, okay, sketch, go to center circle, select center circle. Okay, to center circle, draw. Okay, yes. Go to dimension, middle circle dimension 15 mm. Enter, and middle circle dimension 25 mm. Okay, yes. Go to feature, extrude cut. Extrude cut 3 mm. 3 mm extrude cut. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, select front plane. Go to select mirror, front plane, select. Okay, mirror. Okay, sorry. Go to front plane, mirror. Okay, select mirror. Okay, sorry. Okay, go to mirror, select, sketch, select front plane, select a sketch, go to feature and select mirror, go front plane. Okay, yes, okay, okay, and select, go to a sketch, draw center line. Yes, okay, select, draw line. Yes, select, draw 3-point arc. First dimension, select 0.5, 0.5, enter. Okay, zoom it and go to a sketch, select, go to a sketch and select 3-point arc. Yes, okay, then go to dimension, smart dimension, select dimension and select distance, middle point distance. Middle point distance 13.6. Yes, 13.6 mm. Okay, and zoom it, then distance 1 point. Okay, 30 point. Yes, 13.6. Enter, go to dimension, go to dimension, drag 1.58, enter. Okay, yes, and go to dimension, select 3.28, enter, arc 4.5, enter. dimension, select, okay, yes, select this point, this point, this point, go to dimension, this, okay, okay, yes, arc 4.56, enter, yes, this 1.58, enter, okay, go to mirror, select first all and select, yes, okay, and select 3-point arc, this one, yes, this and middle point, okay, yes, go to feature, extrude cut 15 mm diamond, okay, no problem, yes, go to line pattern and select circle pattern, okay, select line, yes, 360 degree, number of teeth 18, 19, 20, okay, 24, yes, okay, okay, 24, okay, yes, add metal, different type metals, go to metals, chromium, steel, go to add, add